Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-30 versus CX-3. We will explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The CX-30, a more recent addition, offers a slightly larger footprint and refined features. Meanwhile, the CX-3 provides a nimble and efficient option, perfect for urban adventures. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to size, the CX-30 offers a more spacious cabin and increased cargo capacity, making it ideal for families or those needing extra room. You'll find about 20 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats in the CX-30, compared to roughly 17 cubic feet in the CX-3. The CX-3, however, excels in urban environments with its smaller footprint, offering easier parking and greater agility. Both models boast high-quality interiors. Under the hood, the CX-30 typically provides more robust engine choices, including a turbocharged option delivering over 250 horsepower, offering a more spirited drive. The CX-3, while less powerful, shines with its impressive fuel economy, often achieving over 30 miles per gallon combined. Both SUVs come equipped with Mazda's iActiveSense safety suite, providing peace of mind with features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Considering value, the CX-30 generally starts at a higher price, reflecting its larger size and more advanced features. You might find its base model around $26,000. The CX-3, on the other hand, presents a more accessible entry point into the Mazda brand, often starting below $22,000, making it a great value for urban dwellers. Both offer Mazda's renowned reliability and driving dynamics. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.